Happy Friday, setters. What an interesting day today. Last night, Nasdaq S&P 500 finished off in a bearish day. Today, Apple had the biggest buying day. I did try and sell S&P 500 and Snowflake. S&P was a little lost. Snowflakes won a little bit, more or less like a break-even day. But it doesn't matter. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose, so it's part of the game anyway. I'm still in gold, as you can see. I'm happy to keep it going. I have a good management plan, so I'm happy to keep it overnight, over the weekend, and see what happened on Monday. I have a feeling the next week or two, the stock market could be a bit volatile in a way that not easy to predict because the midterm election is coming up, so be aware of that. This Sunday, I'm actually going to do something very special. One of my friends asked me, how do you actually trade the Forex market? I have a method to analyze around 40 pairs of Forex in under 5 minutes. So if you want to learn that, stay tuned and I'll broadcast that on Sunday. Thank you.